Claudius II, a Roman emperor, is responsible for the origin of the story of St. Valentine's Day. He executed St. Valentine for opposing his ban on marriage of soldiers who are scheduled to go on an expedition. Later on, people celebrated St. Valentine's Day and confirmed their love for one another. And it eventually became the day to give gifts to your significant other. One of the most popular tokens of love on Valentine's Day is chocolates. In 1861, Richard Cadbury created the very first heart-shaped box of chocolates for people to give the chocolate sweetness to their sweeties. And in the 1950s, Morinaga & Company, Limited, a confectionery company in Tokyo, Japan, made this day a bit sweeter. This company encouraged the practice of a woman giving chocolates to man she likes. The custom prevailed not only in Korea and China but also in the entire Asian region. Increasing demand leads to a higher equilibrium price, which then increases supply. Lovers also give other small gifts or flowers with chocolates. The interesting part is that while the prices of other gifts remain all but the same, the prices of flowers soar. This is because the price elasticity of supply of flowers is inelastic. Agriculture goods such as flowers need a certain period to become a marketable product. On the other hand, industrial products like chocolates can meet the market demand relatively easily by increasing factory utilization rate. Other factors that affect the price elasticity of supply are product storability and convenience. Industrial firms can elastically respond to changes in demand by adjusting their supply through accessing inventory or increasing production at their factories, for example, by adding more workers or shifts. For flowers, on the other hand, it is difficult to increase productivity in a short amount of time, and relatively hard to stock them. Consequently, the supply of flowers is relatively inelastic. Supplies of goods from firms with high fixed costs are also inelastic. Railroad firms cannot meet the increased demand during holidays. Additional power plants or railroads are required to increase the supply in such industries. However, investing in fixed costs to meet the temporarily increased demand is not economical. Principles of economics. How markets work. Principles of firm behavior. Principles of income distribution and frontiers of economics. Principles of national economy. How money and exchange rates work. How economic fluctuations and economic policy work. Translated into 6 languages and exported to the world. The people of the world enjoy economics.